Hi, good day. I am Renewable from ICsolar, and we are here at Solo Agri Park in Paarl. The client came to us with the idea of how to extract more value from his properties, and started to explore the possibility of looking at power provision to his individual tenants. So with some extended logging at the individual clients and on the site as a whole, we spec'd the 100 kilowatt beast for him combined with 100 kilowatts of battery power. And that has been running absolutely smoothly within for the past 4 months. So much so that it's giving us a projected about 32% yield, clean yield on the client's investment without any depreciation included in them. And the client is so excited about it that he's looking at doing similar installs at some of his other properties. So let's go, Fox.